Hey guys, welcome to Cooking for Kids. Today we're making Earth Day pancakes. We need pancake mix, water, food coloring, butter, and condiment bottles. First, we'll start by measuring 1 cup of pancake mix in a bowl, then 2/3 cups of water. You'll whisk the batter until you see no more lumps. Next, we're going to divide the batter into 2 separate bowls. And now for food coloring. We need 2 drops of blue in one bowl and 2 drops of green in the other bowl. 1 for the ocean and 1 for the lands. Now we'll pour our batter into the condiment bottles. You'll turn on the griddle at medium to high heat and add butter. First, we'll make a circle with the blue, that will be our earth. And then we'll add islands, which will be green. After you add your islands, you'll fill in the rest of the earth with the blue ocean. Once you see bubbles form, you'll flip your pancake. Make sure not to press it down. And there's your Earth Day pancakes. Hope you guys like it.